Welcome to the Kingston Brass Installation channel. In this video, we will be going over how to replace springs and washers for the KBRP541SS NSP. Additional model numbers that may apply will be listed in the video description below. Before we start, you are going to need a 1/8-inch hex Allen wrench, adjustable wrench or channel lock pliers, 3mm pin, flat head screwdriver, springs and washer part KBRP541SS. Last, ensure to shut off both supply valves. Carefully remove the red and blue indexes from the handle with a flat head screwdriver. Use 1/8-inch hex Allen wrench to loosen the set screw inside the handle by turning counterclockwise. Remove the dome cap by hand or channel lock pliers by turning counterclockwise. Remove the cam, rubber gasket, and ball cartridge from the body. Replace springs and washer with the aid of a 3mm Allen wrench. Make sure the widest part of the spring is at the bottom. Test it by pushing on the rubber washer. It should feel springy. Insert the ball cartridge by lining up the slot on the side with a pin in the inside of the ball well. Follow by the cam, making sure cam lines up with the notch. Now carefully insert the dome cap. Press down on the ball and hold to make sure cam does not come out of the notch and thread the dome cap. Screw adjusting ring back on by hand. Now tighten ring with needle nose pliers. Insert handle back. And tighten set screw inside the handle with 1/8-inch Allen wrench by turning clockwise. Replace screw cap. Before we finish, remember to turn on water supply valves and check for leaks. That's it. You have successfully completed the replacements.